Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Wix account permanently. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up your Wix website in your browser. And if you have any active site, first of all, you need to delete the site. So here is the site. I'm going to clicking on site actions. And then we will click on this move to trash. So after that, click on your profile icon and go to this account settings here and scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you will find these options. Close your account. To close your account, first move any remaining sites to trash. If your site has any premium plans or domains connected, you will need to cancel or transfer them first. Now click on this learn more and scroll down, and inside of this step 4 you will get this option, click to close your account. So all you have to do is click on this close your account and select a reason why you are closing your account, and you can give a feedback here like why you are closing your account. Then you have to enter your password here, then check this option and simply tap on this close account, and again you have to confirm close your account and your account will be closed. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.